Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and today I'm talking about the Soundpeats Free2 Classic. These are wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They come in their very own charging case. These are only $30 regularly, and right now they're $19.99. And you'd think they'd just be crap earbuds. Well, it's a little more complicated than that. But let me back up. So when you order these, you get the earbuds, the charging case, a charging cable, a little manual, and different size rubber earpieces depending on how big your ear holes are. They easily pair to your phone, and playtime is a whopping 30 hours, which honestly I can't really argue with. I've been using these every single day for the past couple weeks, and I think I've only had to charge them once. Surprisingly good battery life on these things. Of course, the charging case, which has a 350 milliamp hour battery in it, improves that life greatly, since when you're done using them, you just stick them back in the case and they charge back up. Now, the case itself, it does kind of scream cheap. It's just a plastic case with kind of a faux leather pattern printed onto it, but otherwise there's nothing wrong with it. The earbuds themselves are IPX5 waterproof. I wouldn't intentionally throw them in a pool or a puddle or wear them in the shower, but they do have waterproofing in them. As far as fit goes, you'll notice that the earpiece doesn't have any hooks or anything to kind of hug the inside of your ear. It's just the earpiece itself, which means that these are not going to be ideal for, say, running. In my experience, they do slip out after a while, especially if you're getting sweaty going on a jog or something. As far as controls go, that's where these get really interesting. The outside of these things are actually touch sensitive. There's no physical button, but they are touch sensitive. Now, as far as volume control goes, tapping the left earbud will make the volume go down. Tapping the right earbud will make the volume go up. But it gets a little more complicated than that. Tapping either earbud twice will play or pause your music, or if there's an incoming phone call, it'll pick up. Hit 1 2 times again, and it'll end the call. Tapping them 3 times will activate your phone's assistant. Holding the left earbud for 1.5 seconds will go to the last track, and holding the right for 1.5 seconds will go to the next track. Or if there's a call coming in, it will silence that call. And lastly, if you hold either one of the earbuds for 2 seconds, it'll redial. Now, while I do appreciate all of the options, having all of those options available via a simple touch interface is kind of confusing, and I'd actually prefer if they got rid of most of those functions and just focused on play, pause, and maybe volume control. I mean, maybe after using it for a long time, you'd be able to figure out all those options, but it's a lot of options. So as far as audio quality goes, the sound response is good, the bass response is good. I would put these on par with maybe the old wired Apple earbuds you would get with your phone. Certainly not as good as a premium set of earbuds at $50 plus, but these definitely sound good for the price. And as far as noise suppression goes, earbuds generally seat in your ear pretty firmly, so they make a seal around your ear so that a lot of the outside noise is blocked. These, because they only loosely fit into your ear, they don't do as good of a job in that department. And lastly, as far as call quality goes, while it did sound crisp and clear when in an office setting, as soon as I stepped outside and there was any kind of wind or maybe a car passed me, the person on the other end said it was fairly significant and could be an issue. So with all of that said, who are these for? Well, if you just want some budget earbuds and you're not too concerned about taking calls, and if you just want to listen to music, these aren't a bad option. I mean, they're only $20 right now. But if you want something that sounds a little bit better and you can take calls reliably with, I would look elsewhere. But that's the Soundpeats Free2 Classic. Also, I'm just trying to figure out the name Soundpeats. Is that just a play on sound beats? Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.